Have you noticed more hair on your pillow, in the shower drain, or on your brush lately? You're not alone. And no, it doesn't mean you're going bald. Hair thinning affects way more people than you'd think. And in most cases, it's completely manageable once you understand why it's happening. In this video, I'm breaking down the real causes of hair thinning, and then giving you a full toolkit, oils, nutrients, fruits, and vegetables that can help you restore thickness and strength naturally. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to share a simple weekly routine you can start today. If you're new here, I am going to talk about natural health and wellness every week. So if that's your thing, hit subscribe. Now, let's talk about what's actually causing your hair to thin. Hair thinning isn't one single problem. It's usually a mix of these factors. First, genetics. Androgenetic alopecia. This is the most common cause in both men and women. It's hereditary, and it causes follicles to gradually shrink over time, producing thinner, shorter strands. Second, hormonal changes. Pregnancy, menopause, thyroid imbalances, and PCOS can all shift hormone levels enough to trigger noticeable shedding. Third, nutrient deficiencies. Low iron, low protein, low vitamin D, and low biotin are some of the biggest diet-related culprits. Hair is basically a non-essential tissue to your body, so when nutrients run low, your body prioritizes organs over hair follicles. Fourth, chronic stress. Ever heard of telogen effluvium? That's when a stressful event, physical or emotional, pushes a large number of hair follicles into a resting phase, causing noticeable shedding 2 to 3 months later. Fifth, heat and chemical damage. Frequent straightening, coloring, and tight hairstyles like tight ponytails or braids can cause traction, alopecia, and breakage over time. Now that we know the why, let's get into the how to fix it. Oils work by nourishing the scalp, improving circulation, and sealing in moisture, which creates a healthier environment for hair to grow. First, rosemary oil. Multiple small studies have shown rosemary oil can be comparably effective to minoxidil for improving hair density over several months, likely by boosting circulation to the scalp. Now, let's know how to use it. Dilute it first. Rosemary essential oil is concentrated and can irritate skin. Mix a few drops, roughly 3 to 6 drops, into a tablespoon of a carrier oil like jojoba, castor, or coconut oil. Undiluted rosemary oil on the scalp can cause redness, itching, or a burning sensation. Massage into the scalp, not just the hair strands. This is where the growth-stimulating benefit actually happens. Use fingertips in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes to boost blood flow to hair follicles. Leave it on, anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes minimum, though many people leave it in for a few hours or overnight, with a towel or shower cap to protect bedding. Wash out with a gentle shampoo. Repeat consistently. 2 to 3 times per week is a common routine. Consistency matters more than intensity. Second, castor oil. Another popular one for hair thickness. It's high in ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, and its thick, viscous texture is believed to coat and seal the hair shaft, while some people also link it to improved scalp circulation. Choose the right type. Cold-pressed, unrefined castor oil is generally preferred over refined versions for potency. Jamaican black castor oil is a popular variant, roasted before pressing, which some believe enhances effectiveness. Dilute if needed. Castor oil is very thick and sticky, so many people cut it with a lighter carrier oil, like coconut, argan, or jojoba, in a roughly 1-to-1 ratio to make it easier to spread and rinse out. Warm it slightly. Gently warming the oil, not hot, makes it easier to apply. Massage into the scalp using fingertips for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on thinning areas. Leave it on, minimum 30 minutes to an hour, though many leave it overnight with a shower cap or towel to protect bedding. Wash out thoroughly. Castor oil is heavy and can require shampooing twice to fully remove. Repeat 1 to 2 times per week. Third, coconut oil. Choose pure coconut oil. Use 100% virgin or cold-pressed coconut oil. Warm 1 to 2 tablespoons slightly until it's lukewarm, not hot. Massage your scalp by applying a small amount of oil to your scalp using your fingertips. Massage gently in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. This may improve blood circulation and help spread the oil evenly. Apply to hair lengths, Work the remaining oil from the middle of your hair to the ends. Focus on dry or damaged areas. Leave the oil on for 1 to 2 hours. For deeper conditioning, you can leave it overnight if it doesn't irritate your scalp. Shampoo your hair twice if needed to remove the oil. Use a light conditioner on the ends if desired. How often to use? Thin or oily hair, 1 to 2 times per week. Dry or damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Be consistent for at least 8 to 12 weeks. Fourth, pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is a popular natural hair care remedy because it contains fatty acids, vitamin E, and plant compounds. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons of 100% pure cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil and warm it gently. Do not overheat it. Now apply the oil directly to your scalp using your fingertips. Then massage your scalp in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Spread the remaining oil through the mid-lengths and ends of your hair to help moisturize and reduce dryness. Leave the oil on for 1 to 2 hours. For deeper conditioning, you can leave it overnight if it feels comfortable. Shampoo your hair thoroughly, twice if needed, to remove the oil. Apply 2 to 3 times per week for consistent care. Be consistent for at least 8 to 12 weeks.
Now, let's explore the key nutrients that may help reduce hair thinning and support healthier, fuller hair over time. If you naturally have thin hair or your hair has become thinner over time, nutrition is one of the most important factors that supports healthier, thicker-looking hair. No nutrient can instantly make hair follicles larger, but getting enough of the right nutrients can improve hair growth, reduce shedding, and help existing hair become stronger and fuller. 1. Protein. Most important, hair is made of about 95% keratin, which is a protein. If you don't eat enough protein, your body may slow hair growth. Best sources for proteins are eggs, chicken, fish, lean beef, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, lentils, beans, tofu. Daily target: around 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. If you're active, 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram may be beneficial. 2. Biotin. Vitamin B7. Biotin helps your body produce keratin. It mainly helps people who are deficient, but it is still important for healthy hair. Food that contain biotin are cooked eggs, almonds, walnuts, peanuts, sweet potatoes. 3. Iron. Low iron is one of the most common nutritional causes of hair thinning, especially in women. Foods which are rich in iron: red meat, spinach, lentils, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D supports healthy hair follicles. Low levels have been linked with increased hair shedding. Sources having vitamin D: sunlight, 15 to 30 minutes several times a week, fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified milk. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s nourish the scalp and may help hair look shinier and healthier. Sources which have omega-3: salmon, sardines, mackerel, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts. 6. Zinc. Zinc supports hair tissue growth and repair. Sources: beef, pumpkin seeds, cashews, chickpeas, oysters.
7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps produce collagen and improves iron absorption. Sources: oranges, guava, kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli. 8. Vitamin E. Vitamin E supports scalp health through its antioxidant effects. Sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, spinach. 9. Vitamin A. Vitamin A helps produce sebum, the natural oil that keeps the scalp moisturized. Foods: carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, mangoes. Don't overdo it. Too much vitamin A, especially from supplements, can actually increase hair loss. 10. Selenium. Selenium helps protect hair follicles from oxidative stress. Sources: Brazil nuts. 1 to 2 nuts are usually enough. Tuna. Eggs. Let's overview our weekly routine. Here's a simple weekly plan to bring this all together. Scalp oil massage 2 to 3 times per week with rosemary, castor, coconut, or pumpkin seed oil, which suits your hair type. 1 iron or protein-rich meal plus 1 vitamin C source daily. At least 3 servings of leafy greens weekly. Reduce heat styling and tight hairstyles. Here's a 7-day hair-friendly diet plan, which you can easily follow. You should note it down. Monday. For breakfast: 2 to 3 scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, half an avocado, blueberries, green tea. In snack, you can have Greek yogurt, handful of walnuts. In lunch: grilled salmon, brown rice, steamed broccoli, mixed green salad. Evening snack, apple, pumpkin seeds. And for dinner, you can have grilled chicken breast, sweet potato, and roasted asparagus. Tuesday, for breakfast, oatmeal made with milk, chia seeds, strawberries, almond butter. In snacks, cottage cheese, kiwi. For lunch, turkey sandwich on whole grain bread, spinach, tomato, side salad. Evening snacks, almonds. And in dinner, you can have lean beef steak, quinoa, and roasted Brussels sprouts. Wednesday, in breakfast, Greek yogurt parfait, granola, mixed berries, pumpkin seeds. Snacks, orange, boiled egg. In lunch, tuna salad, mixed greens, whole grain crackers. Evening snacks, edamame, and for dinner, baked cod, brown rice, and steamed spinach. Thursday, in breakfast you'll have smoothie of spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, peanut butter, milk, and flax seeds. In snacks, mixed nuts. For lunch, chicken quinoa bowl, kale, bell peppers, avocado. Evening snacks, pear. And for dinner, turkey meatballs, whole wheat pasta, tomato sauce, and side salad. Friday, in breakfast, you'll take vegetable omelet, whole grain toast, and orange. Snacks, cottage cheese and blueberries. Lunch, grilled shrimp, brown rice, and broccoli. Evening snacks, sunflower seeds. And for dinner, baked salmon, roasted sweet potatoes, and green beans. Saturday, breakfast, overnight oats, chia seeds, walnuts, and banana. Snacks, Greek yogurt. For lunch, light dressed chicken Caesar salad and whole grain roll. Evening snacks, carrot sticks with hummus. And for dinner, lean beef stir fry, bell peppers, broccoli, and brown rice. Sunday, breakfast, avocado toast, poached eggs, and mixed berries. Snacks, apple and almond butter. Lunch, grilled salmon salad, spinach, walnuts, and cranberries. Evening snacks, pumpkin seeds. Dinner, roast chicken, quinoa, and roasted vegetables. Along with your diet, you have to take care about your hydration. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Foods to limit: sugary sodas and desserts, highly processed fast food, excessive fried foods, excessive alcohol. Sample daily nutrition target: protein, 80 to 120 grams, depending on body size and activity level. Healthy fats, 50 to 70 grams. Fiber, 25 to 35 grams. Plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables, at least 5 servings daily. If hair thinning is due to conditions such as androgenetic alopecia, pattern hair loss, thyroid disease, iron deficiency, or hormonal imbalances, diet alone is unlikely to fully restore hair. In those cases, combining a nutritious diet with appropriate medical evaluation and evidence-based treatments may produce better results. Consistent nutrition supports overall hair health, but noticeable improvements in hair growth often take 3 to 6 months because hair grows slowly. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more natural health content, and let me know in the comments which of these tips are you trying first. See you in the next one. Take care.